Normal people keep a pen in their bag to take notes, but my bag, I carry a touch-up pen for my makeup because I don't want to be reminded of college anymore. This touch-up pen is super cool. It has an eyeliner, highlighter, an eyebrow, and also you're gonna see me applying my lip liner here. It's so funny because I took this pen to the club and the security guard was like, I haven't seen one of those in a while. And I was like, sir, this is the coolest pen you've ever seen.